All right, we got a big job in store for today. I am already all loaded, ready to go. This is not my ideal spot to load. I usually load it in the road. They're grading my road, as you can see, so he's right behind me, and I had to pull up here on the hill to load. Not ideal, but I gotta keep moving. I got a truck coming with a load, 20-ton, 3/4 stay mat at 10, and it's 9. So I'm gonna unload this, and I still have to go get a roller. So I'm gonna unload this to the job. Yeah, okay, I can back down that without. He had a big pile of dirt there a few minutes ago. Like I said, I got a big load of 3/4 coming, 20-ton, and then there's gonna be a second load after that. So I'm gonna drop this off. Tanner is gonna power rake it while I go get the roller. I may have to pull forward a little bit just to get this. I don't think I'm getting that out. No, I gotta pull forward. All right, I'm pretty much a glorified delivery driver today. Tanner's gonna probably do a lot of the work until I get there, but it's good to keep the job moving. I always chalk up my trailer. Load and unload. Do another once around on my trailer. All my chains are hooked up. Pin is in. Latch is down. Tires look good. Chained. I gotta hurry before this guy backs up again. And I got 2 really tight straps on this thing. Okay. Oh, good. He's gone. Perfect timing. All right, I'll see you at the job. Oh, he's coming back.
And look who's late to the job. At least he brought the right equipment.
Right here. Oh. Man, you're dumb.
I can't believe I didn't see that hidden in there.
So one thing that I do to get the pressure off is I shut the machine off, turn the auxiliary on, move the joysticks around, and usually those pop in no problem for me. So far. Looks like it's still connected to my phone. I should probably refilm that because that might be a copyright strike. All right, here we go, baby. We're ready to rock and roll. This is the first take.
This is the first take, yeah.
That's way too tight. That's gonna bind.
Yeah, I'll go in less. I just want to make sure this is forward of that.
Yeah, it actually is not really that much in the way, to be honest. So this is a private road right down here. So we're gonna power rake it, top coat it with 3/4 stay mat. See, got some potholes. Not too crazy, but you can see how it does got. It's a little bit low with the tires that go. So we'll fluff it up. I'm gonna go pick up a roller compactor. This won't take long to do actually, but yeah, I see got these potholes here, a couple over there. There's a few up ahead. Now, I was hoping I could get that truck to tailgate. Maybe he can start down there and tailgate, a little bit, and then it gets past this wires. Then there's these wires here. I don't know. I guess we'll see. He may have to dump some of it. We'll get her done. We're not doing down that direction, but that is also private. It's just these homeowners that hired us for this job. From, I think, pretty much that intersection there, it becomes a public road. Oh, nice. First time using this thing.
Yeah.
There we go.
Look at that.
Sweet. We should
It's
probably...
actually pretty good. It's a good stream.
Yeah, but we should... That's a good stream. Healthy. I don't doubt it burns at all. All right, you get this. Blah, blah, blah. Filling up the machine.
Hey, it works pretty good.
Yes.
Like
Yeah.
I said, you know, go see Market, Newport, Farm and Garden. I don't
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
An advertisement.
Hey, I want to get going. I want to get that roller. Terrence's going to get started. I'm going to go get the roller compactor. And by the time I get that back, hopefully he's done. I'll be able to roll it. And we got about another hour and a half until the truck gets here. So we'll see how she goes.
All right, I'm gonna start power raking the road. Hopefully you get a good view there.
Got the roller. I'm gonna unload it. Hey! Tanner asked me very nicely to put the cones out when I was unloaded. So that's what I'll do.
All right, so we get it power raked here. Pretty level. I'm gonna grab a rake and just fill in any low spots. So Josh has got the drum roller and he's just rolling it down flat, and we have the stay mat coming here in about a half hour. So we gotta get this compacted, probably touched up in a few places, we'll see, and then we'll be good for the truck. So, get the bucket on here, and now I'm going to start spreading this out. Get it be quick because we want to open this road back up. You're quicker than me, it's good steer, so tap right at it, buddy.
Alright, we're pretty much done. Just gonna do some finish raking before Tanner gets this last little bit. Hey, here she is.
Yeah, I just kept going back and forth. I raked it, kept going back and forth on it.
Yeah, it looks terrible.
I thought so.
Yeah, I wouldn't be happy with this either. I mean, it's too flat looking. It's too perfect. It looks man-made. The first car. All right, you watching your suspension?
Yeah.
Oh.
Man, she hit a bump.
That's all washboard. Just bop, 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 bop.
No.
So
Graded
yeah,
it, put 2 loads down, graded it again, and compacted it. So
about 40 ton.
yeah,
Stay
mat, 3/4. So as you can see in the video before, like to now, like there were some pretty big potholes, some really big low spots.
Yeah, we brought it up quite a
We
bit.
brought it up quite a bit.
Matched this grade to the pavement because it was.
This had come up.
They brought it up.
inches.
Yeah, they brought it up quite a lot here.
So
Yeah, it looks good.
so,
All right, hey, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.